duck! This one over there.
Kia ora everyone, where my head is awesome, I'm Nick.
Not bad.
I want to show you what New Zealand's really like. Ow!
Ow! They're not holding back, they must be hungry.
Were you bleeding?
From so many places.
Oh, they're pointy up at me, look! Oh, it's really soft.
This brown duck. It's just this. Look at him.
Oh my god, yeah!
Look. Jesus. He's the Hannibal Lecter.
What are you going to call him? Your brown duck.
We'll call him Brownie.
Brownie.
Look at them. Those ducks are savage. That damn Brownie. He's eating more chicken than he is eating chicken food. There you go. For a goose, surprisingly gentle, because normally they just tear into you. Seems very prehistoric to me.
Very.
You know, just talking prehistoric, see this thing here? This is the closest relation to a T-Rex in the modern world. Look at the damn thing. It's like, jeez, it's like a T-Rex pecking at you.
Here they come.
That could be a plane of dinosaurs coming to you, couldn't they?
Absolutely.
I'm talking. See, this is Jurassic Park. Listen to them talking to each other. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but the feet on this thing, that's big lizard feet. Look at them. That's a raptor's feet. Up down. Damn, you need to lay off the donuts.
Excuse me, sir. Tell me your thoughts on the current politics of the planet.
Ask about global warming.
Oh, and also global warming. Oh, he doesn't like that one. You heard it here first, folks. Back to you in the studio.
You would think an elephant lived here. Look at the damn thing. It's you, isn't it?
What's he feel like? Wow.
Just soft dinner. It's very soft.
Looks like a Thanksgiving centerpiece.
There we go. That's what a little baby one looks like.
Oh, I touched it.
Go on up here.
Like, what are you doing, man?
Here comes the chickens. There's always a chicken to spoil the party.
Looks like he's made from copper wire. Ah! Look at those gentle animals with their gentle nibbles. Oh. That's cute.
They're so light.
No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die. They call him Jimmy Chicken Hands.
Hey! Like an arrow! Like an arrow! With me! Come and bask in my glory!
Right, so where we going now, Dad?
Right, we've got to get past Dovetown, which is not often an easy thing. Jeez. Hello, we got it there.
So this is my new dove sidekick, Jeremy. Oi, whoops. There we go.
Get up there, Jeremy. Go on, up there. You can do it. He's just eating. If I come back a little, there we go.
You're up there, Jeremy?
Ouch! Hey!
Hi.
My arm's only so long, guys.
Out of food.
Listen to them.
I think they're
They're fighting, yeah.
Am I gonna get sick? Is that how you get pigeon fever?
Bird flu.
I'm a magician.
Well, we had a great time, but we had all sorts of weather here today. It was rain, sunshine, and pickiness.
We hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as we had fun making it.
Thanks to Katikati Bird Gardens for letting us film here. It was a great place to come.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks to Katikati
Bird Gardens.
Gardens